Hey guys, Mike Potts with Lakeshore RV. I am here today with a 2023 Forest River Rockwood 2614BS. That stands for bed slide. This thing is under 26 feet. Price on it's $38,100. You're looking at about $326 a month for qualified buyers. Let's go check it out. Dual entry, outside kitchen with a big old fridge, and it comes with this spatula. We'll leave that there. Motion light. And onto the inside. All right guys, so you can see there's a rear kitchen here, solid surface countertops, undermount sink, dual sinks. You got your refrigerator here. It's gonna be 10 cubic foot. Gonna run off battery or plug it in. Awesome theater seats opposed from your fireplace and TV. Those do have some sweet lumbar support in them. One of the best features of the camper, your queen bed on a slide out, plenty of wardrobe space. Guys, give me a call or text, 231-215-2750. Call us at the store, 231-788-2040. Our website's lakeshore-rv.com, or check out Lakeshore RV on TikTok. Thank you, and we look forward to hearing from you.